Let me show you how to do a purl 3 together. This is going to be where you're going to decrease from 3 stitches to 1 stitch. And it's often used for lace, can be used for garment shaping, and you often do it in the middle of a row. So to make a purl 3 together, you start with the yarn in front. You take your right hand needle and you go down through the middle of the first stitch. You go down through the middle of the second stitch, and you go down through the middle of a third stitch. So you now can see you have 3 loops on the right hand needle. You wrap the yarn behind, you pull the right hand needle back out the way it came with the new loop on it. So now you can see you've got 1 loop on the right hand needle. You're going to release the old loops, which is 3. So you've now gone from 3 stitches to 1 stitch. And let me show you how to do that one more time. So you're going to start with the yarn in front. You're going using the right hand needle. You're going to start using the right hand needle down from the top through the first stitch, through the second stitch, and through the third stitch. So you've got 3 loops on your right hand needle, wrapping the yarn behind, pulling the right hand needle out the way it came with the new loop on it, and you're releasing the 3 old loops. And you've now reduced from 3 stitches to 1 stitch. And that's how you make a purl 3 together.